Italian automaker Fiat continues to showcase its flair for creating compact cars with character through the introduction of the 2023 edition of the 500 Hybrid. Striking a perfect balance between performance and efficiency, this mild hybrid electric vehicle is powered by a 1-liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an electric motor and a 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The 70 horsepower and 92 pound-feet of torque output enables it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 13 seconds. Its fuel economy is impressive, with an EPA-estimated 53 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway. Two trim levels are available for the model, the Pop and the Icon. The entry-level Pop trim boasts a host of features, including 15-inch alloy wheels, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, a rearview camera, and a 6-speaker sound system. The Icon trim, on the other hand, takes luxury a notch higher with 16-inch alloy wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, and a BeatsAudio sound system. For buyers looking for a touch of exclusivity, there's the Red Special Edition, which is aimed at creating awareness and contributing to a global fund. This edition stands out with its bespoke exterior paint color and red accents both inside and out. Additionally, a portion of the sales is donated to the Red charity. In terms of performance, the naturally aspirated 1-liter 3-cylinder engine lacks a turbocharger, making it less powerful compared to some other hybrids. However, this contributes to its better fuel economy. The electric motor mainly functions to aid the gasoline engine during acceleration and to enable the car to run at low speeds. Energy recovery during braking and coasting is also possible thanks to the electric motor. One of the smart design decisions in this model is the placement of the 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The battery is situated underneath the rear seat, thus saving space and ensuring a lower center of gravity. Charging the battery can be done through the gasoline engine or by employing regenerative braking. The vehicle has a commendable total driving range of up to 400 miles. The standard transmission in the car is a 6-speed manual, though there is an option to upgrade to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for those who prefer it. With a curb weight of 2,510 pounds, it's lightweight compared to many vehicles, which helps in improving its fuel efficiency and making it nimble on the road. However, cargo space is somewhat limited, offering only 9.5 cubic feet, which may not be ideal for those who need a spacious trunk. The Fiat 500 Hybrid is a stylish and efficient choice for city driving, and for those who are environmentally conscious. The starting price for the base Pop trim is $24,550, and the Icon trim starts at $28,550. While it has its limitations in terms of cargo space, its fuel efficiency, driving range, and the exclusive Red Edition make it an attractive option for the urban driver. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.